And even if you do, they can be a big handful. What happened in the 90s was when people realized they basically adopted a 2-year-old child that could live for 25 years. Instead of doing the responsible thing and getting it a new home, they actually just released them out into the wild. A lot of them did not survive, but the ones that did caused a lot of issues for native New Zealand birds. They're so smart that they were actually competing, of course, for food and territory. What that actually meant was when they take over a nest, they would kick out the eggs that were in that native New Zealand bird's nest. So even though they are not predators, they would actually be killing native New Zealand birds simply by dumping their eggs out of the nest that they were taking over. They're gonna do probably